Hey guys, it's Sandy Rogers. I have just completed downloading the last 3 days where I was in Nashville and I had some issues with my iPad and my iPhone, actually, with both of them. And so everything's been uploaded, and I hope you get a chance to catch up and that you enjoy what I've posted. It was very, very exciting being in that part of the country and learning so much. We always have so much to learn about what goes on, and especially when we get the history from local people. So I was blessed to have Dr. Nancy Dawson show me around, who was a Black Studies professor at Austin P University in Clarksville, Kentucky. And she took great care to make sure that she explained in detail many of the happenings that go on not only in the Clarksville and Russellville areas of Kentucky, but she was also my tour guide and educator over in Nashville, Tennessee. So thanks a lot, Dr. Nancy. Actually, when we met, she told me her name was Nancy. So it wasn't until I was talking with somebody else who said Dr. Dawson, I was like, oh, I'm sorry. I didn't even realize that. But she doesn't have that type of spirit about her. She wanted to be known as Nancy, so that's how I choose to address her. So, but it was just a very, very excellent stay for me there, and seemed like it was longer than just 3 days, but it was 3 days total. So I got into Nashville on Thursday morning at 7, and I left Nashville today at 6 a.m. So right at 3 days. Um, Today have been really good as far as with the traveling and staying on target. Been able to drink more water and be still today. My time is up. My 40 days is up on this coming Saturday, and I'm already preparing and prepared to come off of the cleanse as I know to do, and that's with the fresh orange juice and vegetable soup. I got a lot of vegetables from Kentucky when I was there, so I've got everything that I need, and so I'm looking forward to being able to have that on next weekend. So I don't have much more than that to share with you. I have had, again, a very productive day, very centered. I continue to serve as a magnet for people of higher consciousness, and people want to share with me the new revelations in life, where they are and how they got to the stages where they are. Oh, I did go out to the garden this afternoon. Well, it was late morning when I went over there, and was able to pick some okra from off of my plot, from off of the food that I have grown in my garden. And in the rock garden, we actually have some lettuce coming up. So, I mix everything together because it all goes together. We're not a unilateral being. So we have various needs. We have physical, we have mental, emotional needs, we have sexual needs, we have spiritual, and the list goes on because we're made up of so many different facets. And so as you get to check the summaries or the descriptions of my daily post, it's not just about what happens, just drinking tea all day or whatever, because it's so much more than that. And that's the part of it that I want to stress, because to me, that's the biggest benefit. That's where the biggest gift is. And so, don't look at things from out of a single narrow lens. Always make sure that you open yourself up to receive the full gift of whatever situation you may be in. So until we meet again, which will be tomorrow, I love you, and I'm so thankful that you're on this journey with me, that you're considering it, or that you have comments, you have questions that you share so generously with me. And I look forward to addressing whatever comes up for you, not only during these 40 days, but even afterwards. So peace be on to you. I love you.